Wondering what stocks major gurus buy and sell in Q2 2020? Stay tuned for this video. Support the channel. Links in the description. What stocks David Einhorn and Greenlight Capital buy and sell in Q2 2020? He buy 15 stocks and sold 14 stocks. This is part 1 of 2 parts series. In this part we go over what stocks he bought. Enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Gulfport Energy added 87%, which is more than 600,000 shares. Portfolio change, less than 1%. Base Therapeutics added 24%, which is more than 360,000 shares. Portfolio change, less than 1%. AirCap Holdings added 7.5%, which is more than 247,000 shares. Portfolio change, less than 1%. Change Healthcare added more than 1%, which is 64,000 shares. Portfolio change, less than 1%. VanEck Vectors Gold Miners ETF buy 1,800,000 shares, which is more than 7% portfolio change. Atlas Air Worldwide Holdings buy 1,400,000 shares, which is more than 6% portfolio change. Tech Resources buy 2,400,000 shares, which is less than 3% portfolio change. Resideo Technologies buy about 200,000 shares, which is 2.5% portfolio change. Jack in the Box buy about 200,000 shares, which is 1.5% portfolio change. SPDR Gold Shares buy 62,000 shares, which is 1% portfolio change. API Group buy 723,000 shares, which is 1% portfolio change. Tempur Sealy buy 70,000 shares, which is less than 1% portfolio change. EchoStar buy 170,000 shares, which is less than 1% portfolio change. Whirlpool buy 29,000 shares, which is less than 1% portfolio change. PVH Corporation buy 74,000 shares, which is less than 1% portfolio change. Get free stocks with Webull when deposit $100, and get free stocks with Robinhood by signing up. Check our store. Links in the description. As always, be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Be sure to smash that like button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.